Hello friends, in this particular video I am going to discuss one of the very important property of XOR which can be helpful for different problems which appear in different service and product company based placement process. So the property of XOR is very simple. You already have studied the truth table of XOR in digital logic design course, and from there you know that 0 XOR with 1 output 1, 1 XOR with 1 output is 0. So suppose I have 0 bit or 1 bit. I want to reverse the bit, whatever is there. What I will do? I will XOR that particular bit with 1. Because here you can see 0 XOR with, this is XOR symbol in Java, I hope you know. 0 XOR with 1 result into 1, 1 XOR with 1 result into 0. That means whatever our first bit, if we XOR with 1, we are getting the reverse one. So this is very important property and which can be used in several problems. Here I have taken one such problem where you can use that particular beautiful property of XOR and you can solve. Okay. So suppose the question says, given a binary matrix A, we want to flip the image horizontally. Binary matrix is one image, suppose consider. We want to flip that horizontally and then invert it and return the resulting image. Okay, this is what we want to do. So to flip an image horizontally means each row of the image is reversed. That means suppose our particular one row is 110, after flipping it will be 011. That is horizontal flipping has to be done. Then after that we have to invert the bits also, so that you have to replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Then what you will get, 011 will be converted to 100. So first our row was 110. We have flipped, we got 011. Then we have taken reverse bits, we got 100, which is our resultant row. So like that for all the rows in the matrix you have to perform that. Suppose you consider this particular matrix, 110 is first row, second row is 101, third row is 000. Now you just flip the rows horizontally one by one. After flipping the first row you will get 011. After flipping the second row you will get same only 101, and third row 000 you will get. Now reverse the bits, what you will get, 100 for the first one, second one 010, for the third one 111. Like that, some second example it is given. Okay, so here some condition it is given, like 1 less than equal to a dot length equal to a of 0 dot length less than equal to 20, 0 less than equal to a of ij less than equal to 1. These are the two conditions to be noted. So how you can write the code? Very simple. Flipping is obviously damn simple, but to reverse the bits we will use this particular property of XOR. See how I have written the code. Class solution, solution is our class name. Public int matrix is our return type. Flip and invert image is our function name. We are passing int a, one matrix, through this. Output should be this one. We are defining one empty matrix, int output equal to new int a dot length, that is same number of rows as of input and same number of columns as of input. Okay, so output is this one. Now for int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. For int j equal to 0, j less than a of 0 dot length j plus plus. For traversing in the matrix, you know that for traversing or for iterating in a matrix, 2 for loops, nested for loops are required. Then see what I am doing. Output of I, that is in a particular row, suppose ith row, a of 0 dot length minus 1 minus j. This particular index element, that is I comma a of 0 dot length minus 1 minus j equal to a of ij XOR with 1. Try to understand what I am doing. That this particular equation indicates that the output matrix and input matrix A having same row, I, row index is same, but column index is in opposite. If it is 0, then in output it should be the last column. Okay, if it is first, that is suppose j equal to last column a of 0 dot length, then in this case it should be what? This should be first first column. So j maximum value can go to a of 0 dot length. Okay, so basically a of 0 dot length minus 1. So in that case, our this particular a of 0 dot length minus 1 minus j will be 0. So that will indicate the first column. Okay, so like that the flipping is happening. Simultaneously we are doing XOR, as a result the bits will be flipped also or reversed also, and then finally I am returning. If I submit the code, let me show you the acceptance status. Okay, so see, 100% memory efficient, sorry, time efficient and 50% memory efficient. Okay, so same code I am going to post in the comment section. If you want, you can check there, but don't forget this particular property. This is very useful, and in different problems it may help you to solve a problem faster, that is to avoid time complexity. Okay, thank you for watching.